I just opened the door. I was gonna take my dog out for a walk, right? And this huge package that I ordered from Amazon is just sitting outside of the door. And I just have to ask, does Amazon leave your packages without knocking? Because they just never knock for me. I don't know. Maybe they're afraid of my door. Maybe they think, you know, she's not home anyway, but they never knock, like ever. Why? Why is this? Or is it just me? Let me know down below. Anyway, what I ordered was a bed frame because the bed that is in this room is not on a proper bed frame and has not been for a long time. So I am going to remove this mattress and put the new frame down. So keep watching. I don't know why they would leave this outside instead of knocking on the door. Like, that makes no sense at all. At all. I'm just gonna set this huge package right there. They'll see it at some point. I like this because it's going to give me the proper amount of storage underneath. For this mattress, it didn't need a box spring, so I've been trying to, like, I basically, you know, it's a little ghetto fabulous underneath there, but this is going to make it really nice, and I'm gonna have more storage underneath the bed, and so I want to do some things different. I'm gonna change some stuff around. And yeah, this is what I'm going to be installing. So now I just gotta move the bed out of here, take the bed frame up, and then put this one together, and then I'm gonna put the other bed frame back in here. A lot of work, but I'm actually excited to do it. Oh, and if you're new, hi, I'm Wayna. I make videos on home decor, renter-friendly home decor. So if that's something that you're interested in, then you can subscribe and we can be friends. All right, back to the video. I need somewhere that I can, like, have a hub, and I'm looking to get an office space soon, but I can't find anything that fits the budget and that, you know, is to my liking. So I'm gonna have to make something here for the time being, even though I'm running out of square footage up in this room. It is very, very tight. So I have to get creative. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so the first thing that I did was remove everything, including this really cute table, and I'm going to strip the bed. So basically what I had underneath this mattress was a bunch of leftover plywood from the bed that I created in the other room, and I just basically used it and put it on top of this bed frame, and it held up for a while, but there's a few problems with this. One, there's not enough storage underneath the bed, and then two, it's just not a proper bed structure for the mattress. So I cleared all of that out, and I'm just cleaning underneath the bed, getting all the dust bunnies and stuff out. As you guys can see, like I told you a bunch of videos ago, I did not waste my money and put, you know, the tile floor underneath the bed. Nobody is going to see it, and I had already used 2 packs of the vinyl wood flooring, and so I didn't want to buy another pack. So that's, you know, a personal preference, but again, I didn't use the entire space. You know, you won't be able to see it, so that was just my thing. So basically this bed is from Amazon, and I put it together. This one actually took a nice amount of time, although you guys won't think so because I speed everything up, but it was very easy. You just line each of the steel or metal pieces to the numbers. So like this corner, it would be like 1, and then the bar would say 1, so you know where it goes. And then I just repeated that process with all of the other pieces. So this bed is 14 inches from the ground and pretty much has just tons of storage that you can put literally anything underneath here. As you can see, I was able to stack 2 of those boxes, which I couldn't do before. And those boxes are actually boxes that Boots came in, and I love to repurpose them because I like to put memorabilia and maybe like old paperwork and stuff like that in them, and it's free 99, and it, you know, just looks really good. It's very organized. All right, so those are the number things that I was trying to tell you about. So basically, I'm able to relocate where I keep my luggage and put it underneath the bed. And this is a carry-on size luggage. So that gives you an idea of how big the space is. All right, so I'm about to switch over some stuff. I don't like that clothes are in my background. I've had a few people complain about it. And so since I'm tired of this room looking the same, I'm gonna switch this bookshelf over here so that when I'm talking and trying to do you know, more professional looking videos like I want to do for the membership, I'll have a better background. So I think that will actually look better and the flow will work better too. So I'm going to remove all the stuff from here, put it on this side, remove the mirror and put the mirror here, and then this little photo desk, which you can't see because it's out of frame, but I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to put that over here. So I'll have a dedicated workspace, and even though this room is small, I'm still squeezing out more room. That's what I do. I'm specialized in small spaces. So I'm gonna let you see how I get it done. So first I'm gonna take all of this down. I remove the mirror and I'm basically just switching things around. So for now, I'm not going to hang this mirror. I'm just going to lean it up against the wall just because I don't want to put any more holes in the walls. But it really does look better over here and it makes the space look a little bit bigger. But for functionality wise, it is going to make so much sense. Not only am I going to have, you know, more light bouncing off of the window, I'm also going to have a better workflow because I'm actually able to put a desk here. And this desk is from Ross. I picked it up literally 2 days ago. It was only 60 bucks. And I know you're probably thinking, well, Wayna, didn't you have a fold-up desk already? I did. My son stole it. And so I had to buy a new one. So this little workspace is perfect because it's not too wide, but it's deep enough. Hey, love. So if you've ever struggled with trying to figure out how to design a room from any point that you're at, whether it's the beginning stage or you started decorating and you hit a wall and you just want to know how do people do it, and you don't want to go to school for interior design, so consider joining my membership club where you would learn all the behind the scenes techniques, hacks, tips, everything that I don't get a chance to share with you guys here on YouTube, so that you can start creating beautiful spaces no matter where you live. Knowledge is power, and once you learn, you'll never want to go back to living in a room that you don't absolutely love. And so if that is something that you're interested in, then do me a favor, click on the description box and click the link to join the membership and start learning with Wayna. I'll see you guys on the other side. All right, so this is going to be my new setup, and I'll probably zoom in a little bit more like that. And so you'll be able to see the background behind me, but it'll be cleaner. That's really what I'm going for. So to check the placement and to see how I want to style my background, I am going to sit in the area that I would normally sit. Why? Okay, this is not gonna work, so let me figure it out. Okay, let's see how this looks. Not bad here. Can you see? You can't see the bed. And then like you'll see a little bit. I'll have like right here. Put that there. I like a little bit. Now I'm gonna finish this and then we'll see how it looks. So you can still see the TV over here, and you can see the door over here. I don't know what to do. It's just too small. It's just too small. I'm gonna just have to zoom in. Bam. Right there. That's that's gonna have to be the look. And just act like you don't see that over there. So yeah, I like that this is not by the clothes anymore, because even though you can see the light switch, I mean, you have to have a light switch, so oh well. But there is a better, you know, background. It's not distracting and not competing with my clothes, and it just looks a little bit more polished and focused. So this is going to be the background that I use for the membership, but the membership is not going to be me just sitting talking. I'm going to be basically showing you what I'm doing, and so if I am talking, this will be the background, but majority of the time it's going to be hands-on video, and you'll be seeing me working. So similar to the videos that I create on YouTube, but way more detailed and way better instructions and all that jazz. All right, so I guess I'll show you guys what it looks like after I switched it around. Alright, so another thing I really want to show you guys was this new equipment that I purchased from Amazon. I am always looking for new equipment to help me level up my videos, and although I haven't used this, I think I'm going to be very excited to just put my camera on something and not hold it, and to get more stable footage. And so this was actually, like, I want to say around $40 to $50. It wasn't too bad. At some point I plan on doing a behind the scenes equipment kind of video, just because I know a lot of you guys ask me about, you know, filming and stuff like that. So I thought that I would show you some of the new stuff that I got. So once I try this out, I'll be able to give you guys a good review and let you know if it's worth the buy or not. Okay, so I picked up the shoulder mount because I want to try it out. I'm always buying new equipment to level the channel up, and because I have a new camera and I'm shooting in 4K now, I run through memory cards like crazy. So I used to purchase 128 gigabyte memory cards, but I've had to double it. So this is a 256 gigabyte memory card, and these things are not cheap at all. So this is all of the things that I'm doing to prepare to start shooting the membership so that it is professional as it can be. And I'm happy that I made the decision to get a proper bed frame and to switch the room around just a little bit, because if you're not happy and you need some change, the only way you'll see change is if you make it, because it's just your life and you got to take charge of it. And that's what I tell myself. You know, nobody's gonna say, oh, Wayne, what you need? You need an office? Here's some keys. No, don't work like that. So until I get a space that's big enough to film and actually have a, you know, studio / office space, I'm just gonna keep doing what I've been doing, and that's using what I have to get what I want. Okay, so that's my new setup back there. We're gonna make it look good. So I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for rocking with me. I do have some more really cool videos in storage, so if you're not already subscribed, definitely subscribe. If you want to watch more videos, check this one out, or check this one out. Later, guys.